Now that we went over the 6 different types of synovial joints, I would like to share with you a little tip that will make your life much easier to remember the degree of movement each of these synovial joints has. Following the same order of our mnemonic, please help pivot condom sales back. The first one, plain synovial joint, has uniaxial, biaxial, and multiaxial. The second one, hinge, and the third one are uniaxial. The fourth and the fifth one, condyloid and saddle, they are biaxial. And the last one, ball and socket, is multiaxial. And this is how I do to remember this order. The plain synovial joint is the first one we study, so it introduces us to the 3 different types, the uniaxial, biaxial, and multiaxial. Now we have uniaxial. The root uni has 3 letters. So the first 3 will be uniaxial, plain, hinge, and pivot. Then the word biaxial has the root bi, and bi has 2 letters. So the following 2 will be biaxial. And then we only have one left, and this one has to be multiaxial.